Hello and welcome to BVA, Brandywine Virtual Academy. We want to make sure that we do everything we can to set you up from a parenting perspective to experience success for yourself as a parent and for your own student and their respective success as well. So you can see in this image there's a picture of a parent who is smiling. She's on the phone, she has her laptop in front of her, and her daughter is learning all at the same time. And somewhere in the midst of all that, there is still a smile on her face. So that's what we want to bring about for you, to empower you and help you so that the smile always remains on your face as well as you're helping your student be the best student that he or she can be. So here are some basic steps or tips to help your student find success. Number one, it's all about time management, making sure that the day is managed properly. Number two, self-advocacy, making sure that your student knows how to ask questions with specific requests and can speak up for him or herself when they need help. Number three, making sure your student is equipped with the academic skills in order to be successful. Number four, remind your student, your child, to check email every day and help your student always keep an open mind in the process of learning. If you're the parent of a middle school student, make sure that your student is logging in daily, 5 hours per day, 25 hours per week. And as a parent, you should probably be spending a little bit of time each day overseeing their coursework completion and making sure that they're asking questions in the VO and to assist them with the lessons if they need help understanding the directions and to monitor their internet usage. For a high school parent, the amount of oversight is a little bit less, but you should still be overseeing your student to make sure that their coursework has been completed. Remind them to communicate regularly with their teachers and, again, always monitor their internet use. Our virtual office is our multimedia platform by which our teachers help our students learn, and they can go in there and receive help a great deal. We always have teachers from each subject area available in the virtual office at all times. It's the quickest and easiest way to get assistance from teachers, and students can take screenshots of what they're working on, their assignment or whatever problem or question they may be encountering, and they can post that in the virtual office to directly receive help from a Pennsylvania certified teacher. Make sure that your child is logging in at least 5 hours per day. Make sure that your child is completing all assignments, has access to high-speed internet, ask questions when he or she needs help, and make sure that your student is taking care of his or her laptop. We would also encourage you to make sure that your child checks their email daily. Check your child's progress on a daily basis and attend any parent meetings that may be offered by your respective school district. Our recommendation for attending a virtual school is that, in keeping with PDE requirements, that your student should probably be logged in for about 5.5 hours per day. And this comes out to be about 1 hour per day per course. Keep in mind, if your student is in a block schedule, that they should be devoting about 2 hours per day per course. And then lastly, we're here to help support a partnership between you, your student, and our educators. So please make sure that you're maintaining that partnership both with us here at BVA and also with your local school district. We are all here to help your student find success.